Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can start making money online today, absolutely free. But before I get into all that, if you want to know how you can turn any money-making opportunity or passion of yours into a profitable home business, right? But the kicker is how you can get money back on your taxes every year. You need to click the link, first link in the description of this video, and check out the free webinar, and you will love it. All right, now back into business. How can you start making money online absolutely free? And I'm talking about no money whatsoever. You know, a lot of times they're like, oh, make money for free, but make money online for free, but you gotta purchase, no. This method absolutely free. So getting into it, the first thing you need, right? The first thing you need is the desire to make money online. Because a lot of people, they talk that talk, right? Oh, I want to make money online. I want to make extra money online. And then as soon as you tell them how to do it, or they learn how to do it, they're like done. They're like, oh, I didn't know you had to do this. I didn't know you actually had to turn on the computer. I didn't know you actually had to upload something or download something or blah, 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 right? Like, so first and foremost, if you don't got that desire, click off this video because it's not going to work, right? Now, the next thing you need, once you do got desire, you're like, all right, I got the desire. Next thing you need is something to promote, something to sell, all right? So a lot of times people tell you like, yo, you got to go where the money at, right? You got to find what's selling and, you know, really run with that and just go with what everybody, you know, everybody is buying, right? That's what you want to promote. And yes, that is a valid point, but I kind of want to recommend, because if you think about it, there's very little things online that don't sell, right? Pretty much you can sell anything online, right? At this day and age. So I personally recommend you finding something, yes, that sells, but more important at first, you want to find something that you're interested in, right? Like you have somewhat of a you know, a liking to, right? So I always use this all the time. Like if you're a dog lover, right, you might want to sell dog related products, right? If you're into golf, right, you might want to, you know, promote golf products or golf courses or whatever, like how to golf courses and stuff like that, right? Because golf courses, that can mean two different things. It's crazy. But anyway, so you need something to promote, right? And like I said, you want to have it where it's something like you wouldn't mind promoting, right? Because you're into it, you like it anyway. All right. So another thing that you need to get going, absolutely free, right, is an autoresponder. Now you might be like, if you knew, you're like, autoresponder, I'm good. I don't want no autoresponder. I don't even know what it is, but I don't want to mess with that autoresponder. No, very, very simple. You need something that can capture people's emails, right, so that you can promote to them on a regular basis. Because just promoting, giving somebody a sales letter, a sales page, and like, yo, buy this right now. A lot of times, like that person needs to see that over and over again before they actually, you know, decide to pay for it. So 95% of internet marketers do is they get the person's email address via autoresponder, and then they have messages set up in their autoresponder promoting whatever the product is that they're selling. So if it's a dog training course that you're promoting, you want to have it set up where you put your what they call an email lead capture page. You want to put it in front of potential buyers, and you want to get their email. After they put their email address, I'm sure you've seen this before, but after you put your email address in, it'll take you to basically the sales page of the dog course or some sort of other promo video, whatever, right? But now you have their email address. So now you can promote to them anytime you want, right? And constantly remind them about that dog training course. So what most people do is they'll set up an autoresponder. Then they have messages. They set up messages that go out, right? You schedule these messages. So say after somebody signs up to your email list, your lead capture page, now say the next day you send them a message about your dog training course. Say, hey, did you get a chance to check out the dog training course? Blah 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 blah. And then maybe 3 days later, automatically, because it's set in your autoresponder, you send another, more like an informative email. You understand? Like an informative, just give some free tips, some free advice. Nothing, don't even sell. Say the 8th day, you send another email that automatically you preset, and now you're promoting your book. Hey, did you get a chance to check out this guide? Let me tell you about, how cool this is, what this done for my dog, or blah, 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 right? And you can put as many messages as you want, to the point where a person either gonna unsubscribe from your channel, or they gonna be like, man, let me just buy this course. I do need it. It is pretty cool. I've bought tons of different products and programs just because I constantly got reminded of it, and I constantly seen the benefits, or the supposed benefits of these products, and it worked. You know what I'm saying? Because I constantly would see stuff, and I'm just like, whoa. All right. So yes, you need an autoresponder, right? So you need the desire, to make money online. You need an autoresponder. You need a product, and you need an autoresponder, right? So you're like, wait a minute, where am I gonna get an autoresponder from, man? When you do your research, you see most of them there's some sort of cost to it, right? You got to pay, whether it be $9.99 a month, $19.99 a month, $39.99 a month. You're like, oh man. But because this is all about free, for free, right? There is a free autoresponder that I started with, right? It's called Guerrilla Marketing Pro. It's the first, well, no, it's probably like the second, third link in the description of this video. Guys, you can start with this absolutely free. You can create your own autoresponder, okay? And you can get going absolutely for free, with your autoresponder, okay? So now, keeping it real, they do have an upgrade that is very, very cheap if you want to do more, if you want more features. But to get started with, you can start for free, right? Start for free. It's called Guerrilla Marketing Pro, and you can create a little campaign. And you could basically tailor it to, whatever you're trying to promote. All right. You want to create your messages, have them already preset. I would recommend like 5 to 7 messages about whatever you're promoting. Have them all set up, maybe 3 days apart, and you're good to go. Right. Another feature that you'll have with Guerrilla Marketing Pro is you can send out broadcasts. So say, for example, something new just popped up in your head, and you don't feel like scheduling it, and you got, say, 200 people on your email list. You can literally wake up and just create a broadcast, type in your message like Happy New Year or whatever, and then send it, right, to everybody on your list. That's separate from actually your autoresponder. So that's stuff you could do with an autoresponder, right? So the last thing you need is a way, obviously, to promote your business, whatever you're promoting, whatever you're selling. We're doing it free, so people are going to tell you different ways to get traffic to your offers. A lot of people will tell you, yo, get on Facebook, join some Facebook groups, right? Join Facebook groups related to your niche, and, just start interacting with people, blah, blah, blah. And then eventually you could kind of promote whatever you promote, which, yeah, that can work. But to me, that's more slow build and blah, 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 blah. The best way to get traffic for free, right, is to get on YouTube, man. Get on YouTube and promote. Make videos based around your niche. So if you're doing dog training, do a video like the #1 dog training guide in the world. That should be the title of your video, right? And then do a video. Maybe get testimonials, download testimonials that are legit, about this product. You could talk about the product. You could do a video just going over the product, right? Or you could actually give some dog tips from the product. Whatever, you get it, right? So just try to create a lot of content around this product, and you're going to get traffic. Remember, you want to put a link to your Guerrilla Marketing page, email capture page. You want to put a link to that in the description of all of your videos, okay? And This is absolutely free. Absolutely free. So you just want to be consistent, try to get at least a video to 2 videos a week. Do keyword research, and there's videos I got on my channel about how to research proper titles and so on and so on. But you want to do creative titles, use keywords that people are searching for in your video description, title, and tags, blah, blah, blah. And you want to be consistent. So even after you get done doing that, guys, if you don't care, and you're on Facebook and stuff, and you don't care about people knowing what you're doing, take that same video. Do not post the YouTube link on Facebook. Take the same video that you uploaded to YouTube. Take that video and upload it to your Facebook and let people know, like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Check this dog training. You know what I'm saying? Blah, 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 if you want to. But guys, right there will allow you to create an unlimited amount of income, right? You have not spent one dime. Now, eventually, once you start making money, you might want to upgrade your Guerrilla Marketing Pro account, which is very cheap, guys. It's super cheap when you compare it to what other autoresponders is, and you get unlimited leads. You could collect 30,000 emails. Imagine having a list of 30,000 emails that signed up because they're interested in what you offer. Imagine that. Just yeah, right? Crazy opportunity, right? So, guys, there you have it. You want to make money online for free. This is how to do it. So, you know, if you got that desire to make it happen, you have absolutely no excuse at this point to start making money and you know, doing what you want to do, right? Find that financial freedom. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the link so you can turn this into, check out the free webinar so you can turn what I just said into a home business. All right. I gotta go. Till next time. Peace.